Good morning, pure structure traders and YouTube for another morning market analysis for the US session. Today we'll be going over S&P 500 gold and also oil. Give you guys some of the levels that we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. If you are struggling with trading, we do have tutorial videos up. Make sure you guys check those out. Also, we do a London market analysis as well if you trade the London session. So check those out as well. It will be a shorter week as we are drawing into Christmas. Hopefully you guys are preparing for Christmas. Pretty exciting. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, let's start there. Really bearish. So you just want to be careful trying to fade it to the upside. But you see it tried to pull back to resistance level of 45.64 and stalled kind of right there, right around 45.64, came right back down. So interesting area to look at. We'll want to see if the market actually bounces from this area here, 45, 47.25, and then tries to retest there. If it fails, you may see a nice double top there and then a fall right back down. If not, resistance up above 45.80.75, and then above that 45.90 is the next area. So just keep in mind that maybe the double top you see here. If not, you can look for a rejection here or a rejection right in this general zone right here, between these 80 to about 96. Sorry, 45.90 to about 96.50 would be an area of resistance. So just keep that in mind. For those that want to try to fade the market back up, you may be looking at this low here, 47.25 support, or look for the market to try to pull all the way back down to 27.75, do a nice double bottom, and then try to exhaust and come right back up. So that could be your opportunities there on S&P 500. Let's move over into a smaller chart so you guys can see what this looks like. So pulling up the smaller chart, you can see it's coming into this area. May double bottom again, just be careful. It is strongly bearish, so it may collapse through this level here. But if it double bottoms, you could look for a fade opportunity. If not, look all the way down here for the market to bounce around. Maybe do something like this where you get nice double bottoms or quadruple bottoms right at the bottom here, and then a long opportunity back to the upside. So that could be your opportunities there on S&P 500 for the longs and the shorts. Again, just be careful because it's strongly bearish. Moving over into gold, let's take a look. So gold pulling down. I do anticipate gold trying to pull down into this zone between these 1792.5s to 1791s. This is going to be an interesting area that we want to see some support come in. So just keep that in mind. Let this come down into this area first. If not, resistance is up above 1802.3, 1807.1, and 1810.8 as the areas of resistance that we could see the market fail to get through. If it comes back up to this 1802.3, this may be where I'm looking for a short. It may go into a range between 91 to about 1802. So keep that in mind as well. If not, if it collapses right below those 91s, look out for 1783 as the next support, and then 1777.6 as the support below that as well for some long opportunities under there. Moving over into crude, let's take a look at what crude is giving us. Crude similar to S&P 500 where it is strongly bearish. We do have resistance coming in right around these 67.85s, so just keep that in mind. If fail right at that level, you could look for a nice double top and then a pull right back down. Support for me is going to come right in these 66.70s, so just keep that in mind. You could get an opportunity for a nice double top and a pull down, or support where you could get a fade back up right around 66.70. Just be careful with the fades as it's strongly bearish right now. So resistance up above that, it's going to be right around 68.66, and then 69.65, some wider levels with the key area right around 70.20 as well. If we stay underneath that, definitely could continue this bearish run. But right now, looks like it may set up for another opportunity to try to pull down. and then touch the support down below at 66.70. So just keep that in mind. But that wraps it up for S&P 500 gold and also oil. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go and smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. If you're going to be with us in the trading room, we will see you guys in there in about an hour. If not, make sure you guys trade with discipline and patience and trade well. You guys take care. Have a good one.